little story I got to tell about three bad brothers you know so well. It started way back in history with that Rob
MCA
and me.
Mike D.
Finn had a little horsey named Paul Revere.